What is it? What do you have? It's a horse. Where does the horse go? Where does the horse go? Very good. What do you have? What is it? Let me see. It's a cow. What does a cow say? No, what does a cow say? That's not what a cow says. There you go. Good job. Where's the pig? Which one is the pig? Get on your pieces. There you go. Where's the doggy? Where's the dog? What do you have in your hand? What is that? Is that a pig? Where does the pig go? Good job. Good boy. You almost have it. Good. Good job putting the kitty where it goes. Can you turn it over? Good job. What is that? Is that a dog? Where does the dog go? Where does the dog go? Good job. Turn him over. You want some help? How do you ask for help? There you go. Good job. What else do you have? Is that a rooster? What does a rooster say? Let me put the pillow out of the way. Good job, Athen. You did a great job. Can you clap? You did a great job. Can you clap for yourself?